Hi everyone, this is Ramin VCG. I received several emails from uh, our clients and they were interested to find out how we can highlight in PowerPoint presentation. Specifically, you are highlighting during a presentation. That is, you want to use your highlights while you're presenting a project. Also, another thing that they were interested was maybe I don't want to use the yellow highlighter. I want to use different color. How can I do that during my presentation? All right, let's jump into it. First, this is working for Office 365 and the latest, greatest version of the PowerPoint that we have right now to work with. In order to highlight the text in PowerPoint, what you have to do is just open up your presentation, then highlight the text that you want. You can use the highlighter and any colors that you want, you can highlight it that way. This is one method of doing this. But what happens if I'm presenting to you? Let's say I press F5, I am presenting this, and I wanted to use highlighter, and I want to make sure that Surfing Gurus is being showing up as highlight. How can I do this? You can use Control I key. It will turn your mouse cursor into a highlighter. Now I'm able to highlight while I'm presenting. Now I'm not interested in color of yellow. Maybe I'd like to use green for that one, or magenta, or aqua. In order to do this, what you have to do, you have to set up your presentation prior hand. You can't do that while you're presenting, because if you want to present during presentation and you want to change your color, it would look a little bit awkward. So if you want to have all your presentation have a different color, this is what you have to do. First of all, Control A brings your pointer back in. Menu system right in the bottom. Selecting the highlighter for the laser pointer and a highlighter. In this case, highlighter is showing yellow. If I change it, let's say to a color light blue, now my highlighter is color light blue. But during a presentation, that doesn't look good, does it? So if I presenting things, before I start my presentation, I will change my highlighter color that I'm interested into, and then pressing Control I. And now my highlighter has that color, and I can actually use this and show them with a different color that I picked. I hope this was useful for you. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.